Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Carrot juice for boost heart health and improve skin health. Carrot juice is extracted from whole carrots and is extremely nutritious. It not only provides potassium and vitamin C, but also is very rich in provitamin A. Drinking carrot juice is thought to boost immunity and improve eye and skin health among other benefits. Here are 8 impressive benefits of carrot juice. Number 1. May boost immunity. Carrot juice may give your immune system a boost. Both vitamins A and C found in carrot juice act as antioxidants and protect immune cells from free radical damage. Additionally, this juice is a rich source of vitamin B6, providing 30% of the DV in 1 cup. Not only is vitamin B6 necessary for optimal immune response, but a deficiency in it is also linked to weakened immunity. In one study, vitamin B6 depletion in older adults reduced the production of a signaling molecule known as interleukin-2, which regulates the activity of immune cells. Number 2. Highly nutritious. Carrot juice provides the carotenoid pigments lutein and zeaxanthin, which act as antioxidants in your body. Antioxidants fight unstable molecules called free radicals. The main carotenoid in carrot juice is beta-carotene, which is responsible for carrot's orange color. Your body converts it into the antioxidant vitamin A. Carrot juice is loaded with vitamin A, and is high in vitamins C and K. It also contains plant compounds called carotenoids, which act as antioxidants. Number 3. May improve eye health. Carrot juice contains high amounts of nutrients that benefit your eyes. Specifically, 1 cup of carrot juice packs over 250% of the DV for vitamin A, mostly in the form of provitamin A carotenoids like beta-carotene. Vitamin A is vital for eye health. Several studies associate the intake of fruits and vegetables that contain provitamin A with a decreased risk of blindness and age-related eye diseases. What's more, carrot juice is an excellent source of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 other carotenoids that accumulate in your eyes and shield them from damaging light. A high dietary intake of lutein and zeaxanthin may lower your risk of eye issues, such as age-related macular degeneration. Number 4. May provide anti-cancer effects. Test tube studies suggest that certain compounds in carrot juice may protect against cancer. Specifically, polyacetylenes, beta-carotene, and lutein from carrot juice extract may be effective against human cancer cells. One test tube study found that treating leukemia and colon cancer cells with beta-carotene led to cancer cell death and stopped the cell growth cycle. Compounds in carrot juice have been shown to trigger cancer cell death in test tube and animal studies. However, more human research is needed. Number 5. May improve blood sugar management. Drinking small amounts of carrot juice may help lower blood sugar levels. In particular, studies in rats with type 2 diabetes show that fermented carrot juice decreases blood sugar and improves other related markers. That's because the fermented juice contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that affect gut bacteria associated with diabetes. Another older rodent study found that purple carrot juice boosts blood sugar management due to the anti-inflammatory effect of its anthocyanin pigments. Yes, these are very specific types of carrot juice. It isn't known whether regular carrot juice has similar effects. Number 6. May improve skin health. The nutrients in carrot juice may be particularly beneficial for skin health. 1 cup, 236 grams, of carrot juice provides over 20% of the DV for vitamin C, a water-soluble nutrient necessary for collagen production. This compound is the most abundant fibrous protein in your body, providing elasticity and strength to your skin. Additionally, Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant to protect your skin from free radical damage. The beta-carotene in carrot juice may likewise aid your skin. One review of studies found that a carotenoid-rich diet may protect your skin from ultraviolet damage and improve skin appearance. Number 7. May boost heart health. Carrot juice may help reduce risk factors for heart disease. First, carrot juice is a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays an important role in proper blood pressure regulation. A high potassium diet has been shown to protect against high blood pressure and stroke. Antioxidant compounds in carrot juice may also benefit your heart. An older 3-month study in 17 adults with high cholesterol and triglyceride levels found that drinking 2 cups of carrot juice per day significantly increased blood antioxidants and decreased the oxidation of blood lipids that may lead to heart disease. Still, more human research is needed. Number 8. May protect your liver. The carotenoids in carrot juice are thought to promote liver health. Several studies indicate that the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects of carotenoids protect against non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. An 8-week study in rats found that carrot juice reduced some markers of NAFLD. Another rodent study produced similar results, revealing that carrot juice didn't reduce fat on the liver, but it decreased inflammatory blood markers. Nonetheless, human studies are needed. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.